Paul McAdam tells us that the newly installed Freemason District Grand Master of Guyana is aiming to have the organization become a bit more transparent.
New District Grand Master and Most Excellent Grand Superintendent of Guyana, Attorney-at-Law Roysdale Ford, following his installation ceremony last evening, described his acceding to high office as a transition of one generation to the next.
It's quite significant for me because it's an important opportunity for me to implement plans and changes in the district that would make the Freemasonry more relevant over times, more transparent and more open.
Brother Ford explained that the new direction will incorporate the through mission of Freemasonry and expand and publicize more of the charitable work undertaken by the centuries-old organization.
And a lot of it, we have to take the responsibility for not having really informed the public in a very active way of what we've been doing over the past many years. But all that is going to change. It's part of my vision to ensure that we're more involved in the community. It's very dear. We live in a society that has tremendous social problems of all sorts. There's need for mentoring of young men. There's need to provide people with additional support in different ways.
On hand for Brother Ford's installation ceremony at the Princess Romana Hotel was Pro-Grand Chancellor of the United Grand Lodge of England, Peter Geoffrey Luns. He shared his view on the significance of the installation of Guyana's youngest ever District Grand Master.
He's a young man, and Masons perhaps have been accused of being rather elderly on many occasions, but actually the average age of people coming into Freemasonry is going down, and therefore to have somebody of Brother Ford's age, in his 40s, coming into the first top job in the district is very important from our point of view.
Paul McAdam for InfoHub.